Did you open the refrigerator?
Yeah.
Can you shut it and do it again? Shut it and do it again. Yeah.
Can we open?
You open it.
Okay.
Did you just figure that out for the first time, that you can open the refrigerator?
Yeah.
Are you proud of yourself? We just ate a yogurt. We can't eat another one. You better put it back. Okay, I think it's time to shut the refrigerator.
Wait. Let me clean up.
Okay.
Clean up. Have that yogurt?
No, we already ate yogurt.
This yogurt. Just a minute.
You better put it back. Alright, shut the refrigerator.
What's this?
Shut it.
What's this?
That's a beet. I mean a radish. Alright, shut the refrigerator. You're gonna eat the radish? You better put it back.
That one?
Yep, okay, now shut the refrigerator. Abby. Shut the refrigerator.
No!